Welcome to our channel. He is to be conquered. Written by Adapa Ramakrishna. This is a long poem. Originally written in Telugu. Title Vadini Gyanchali. Translated from Telugu to English by Dr. P. Ramesh Narayan. Adapa Ramakrishna received an award for his writing. To his credits, He is to be conquered. Long poem by Adapa Ramakrishna. English version by Dr. P. Ramesh Narayan. His Excellency, lead this movement, take it further, as it has major, very major and prominent role in the fight against corruption and black money. To me, each and every individual involved in this mission constitutes a new anti-corruption cadre in the country. In a way, you are a soldier in the cause of cleanliness and purity. Country safety is not palatable to him. Active role for the secret search, hating technological revolution, questioning scientific knowledge, to the IT fields that earn profits, to the erratic sound vibrations, distant goals that neared, the long future that has gone far away, more than that of 2D and S banks. It is the coal frame that flared up, mixed rice with stones that are valued. The food bill does not satisfy hunger. The projects that are given note for vote, bandicoots that swallowed the treasury, colors of adulterated drinks, acid overflow that swallows blood vessels. Cool killer with unquestioned thirst, doctors becoming stunt masters, patient life sketch that flopped, to the revolting masses, to the notorious lathi charge of the khakis. Who runs the show behind the screen? Who are those corrupt partners behind him? This air, water and village, this residence and place, this country and entry, these symbols heredity, a challenge that questions the existence, identity cards and records for which, rewards to earn what kind of profits, who has given to the cheater and the tighter, written with fake documents. Who are there without caste? Who are those that do not die? Evidence of identification certificates. Salvation is only with money to get the certificate. He is always on the other side of the shore. All atrocities done with secrecy. Searchers for the collections, walls with their mouths wide open, consumed with heavy statistical figures, currency notes as much as caught hold of, cheap quality book to primary education, the lecture talk without any moral teaching, memory of thousands of childbirths, sex exchange situation in the labor room, outdated instruments and medicines, go downs of duplicate medicals in black market. To continue listening our long poem, He is to be conquered, please subscribe our channel and click on our channel He is to be conquered 12.